Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make a quick 10 minutes recipe. This is delicious, fast to make and healthy as well. So let's get started. So this is a very quick couscous salad. The ingredients are very simple, you can play a bit around with them, but the main ingredients basically it's 150 grams of couscous, 2 medium tomatoes, 1 red onion, a few florets of broccoli, but you can replace it with cucumber, fresh herbs here, it's basil and parsley, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 lemon, 50 grams of raisins, 50 grams of organic walnuts and 150 grams of vegetable stock. I have the boiling water just waiting for the next step. As well, salt and pepper and a bit of dry basil. So let's get started. Before we start with the actual ingredients, I will prepare the couscous. In a medium saucepan, I'll just put my vegetable cube, 150 grams of water, the vegetable oil. I chose the sunflower oil because it doesn't have any smell basically, and just put in the couscous, give it a good stir and set it aside for 10 minutes. So while our couscous is soaking with water, I'll prepare the onion, finely chopped, roughly chopped walnuts, just small cut florets and roughly chopped as well fresh herbs. So for the tomatoes, I love to deseed them just because I don't want too much moisture in the salad, but it's entirely up to you. So to deseed the tomatoes, you just slice them in half and with a spoon remove the seeds. And we have only the flesh. So now I'll cut them in cubes and set them aside until I will assemble the salad. So to cut the cubes, I'm just slicing like ½ centimeter slices, and after that just cutting more or less even cubes. So now I'll make the dressing. In a little jar I have here the salt, pepper and the dry basil. I'll add the squeezed lemon and the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, seal the jar and just mix it until we have an emulsion. So now all the elements are done, let's assemble the salad. So in a large bowl, transfer the couscous, which is very fluffy already. So here 150 grams of soaked couscous, add the onions, the tomatoes, the broccoli, walnuts, raisins, herbs, and on top just pour the dressing. Give it a good mix. And your salad is ready. So this was my recipe of 10 minutes couscous salad. This is super delicious, super healthy, and super fast as well. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday. Give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next video.